Oh yeah.
Cooking channel.
Alright, let's cook, Mouse.
Savory.
Alright.
Tasty.
How about the chicken feet?
Recipe.
Good night.
Anytime.
Bye. Early. Always enjoy life to the fullest.
You enjoy my cooking channel.
Hello folks, welcome to another episode of Panlasa ni Tisoy. So tonight I am gonna show you how to make spam, but not this kind of spam though. We're gonna make our homemade spam. So ingredients for this dish is 1 teaspoon of white ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of curing pink salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of patis or fish sauce, 4 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 cup of ice water, and 2 pounds of ground pork. Okay, so we're gonna mix all the ingredients, guys. We're gonna start with the pork, of course, the ground pork. And next we're gonna put our curing salt, all right? Then our sugar, and then we'll put our, oh, there's some more sugar in there. And then we'll put some white pepper. And then our patis or fish sauce is next. And then we're gonna put our cornstarch, all right? And then we'll pour the cup of water here, cold water. It has to be cold water, guys, minus the ice. There's 1 ice in there that fell off. All right, now we're gonna mix it with our hand, glove hand, till the consistency gets thick. You will know when it's ready. So guys, it's getting very sticky now, if you noticed. Getting really sticky. So this is the consistency that we want. All right, should be ready, guys. So now we're gonna transfer it in this container right here. So we usually use this for making sweet flan or leche flan, how we call it in the Philippines. But we're gonna use this for spam right now. Okay, you wanna push it in there. Make sure that it doesn't leave any gaps. Okay, we got 1. So 2 pounds make about 3 of these containers. All right, this is our last one here, guys. Last one. So that one, we're gonna add a little bit from here because I put too much here. And we need a little bit on this side. There you go. Now it's even. All right, now I'm gonna remove my gloves. Okay, so we're gonna flatten this thing just to make sure we don't have any gaps, because otherwise you're gonna have like gaps in your spam and you don't want that. So you wanna kind of tighten it and push it down with a plastic spatula. And if you see any space in the sides, you want to push it just like so. Just make sure it's really tight. Otherwise you're gonna have gaps in your spam or holes, just like so. Just make sure it's tight like that. All right, see how it's super tight? That's the how we want it. All right, so check this out. Compared to this one, it hasn't been tightened yet. So that one should be done. Now we'll start with the other one. Okay, so now we're done. We're gonna tap it down just to make sure all the ground pork is like tight. All right, and now we're gonna wrap it with plastic. Saran wrap. All right, so wrap it once, wrap it twice. So about twice, all right, guys? And then you cut it and you just wrap it like so. And continue pressing down. So make sure that everything is pressed down there. So now we got our spam ready, our spam mold. So we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for overnight, and tomorrow we're gonna steam it, and then we'll come back. Okay guys, This has been refrigerated overnight, so we're ready to steam it. I got the steamer going, and we are gonna steam our homemade Spam. Okay, so we're gonna put our homemade Spam in the steamer with the plastic on, just so we can seal all the juices in there. All right, and we're gonna come back in 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes. So let's check this out, and then we're gonna move it to the chopping board, so we can chop it up. That's how it looks like. So we're taking out the plastic and then cut it up, and we're gonna fry one, just so we can see how it tastes like and how it looks like. All right, so we're gonna take out the plastic on this one. We'll take one out, and then we'll cool it off a little bit, guys, and then we'll chop it into Spam size, and then we'll fry. Try one out, fry it. Guys, so we're gonna cook one of these. Put two away, and we're gonna cut this up first. Make sure you guys get the edges. You can use a butter knife or a steak knife or whatever knife you have, just so you can loosen up the Spam. There you go. All right, let me cut this up. We still have to fry this, guys. Oh, that looks nice. Yeah, it's just like Spam. I'm not gonna cut up the whole thing because it'll be a waste. I'm only gonna cook maybe 4 pieces for now. And we're putting this back. And we're gonna fry whatever I chopped. Okay, we're gonna fry this. You can use any oil you like. Hi, I have my twins here. They're gonna try out the homemade Spam. All right, guys, take it away.
I'll go first.
Does it taste just like Spam?
It tastes like Spam, but with a better texture.
Wow. All right, your turn, dude.
That tastes really good.
Yeah?
It tastes like kind of like Spam and eggs combined.
There's no eggs in it.
That's crazy.
Okay, go finish it, because I'm gonna eat a little piece too. All right, my turn. See how tall these boys are? They're like giants compared to me. So I'll try it. It is good, yeah?
That's good.
It's healthy. There's
10
no preservatives.
out of 10.
10 out of 10. There you got
8
it.
out of 10.
You got it, guys. Thank you very much. Mahalo.
Bye.
Bye. subscribe, like, and share. Right, guys?
And
Yup.
comment.
All right. Thank you. Aloha.
Bye.